techniques, where they are free to question and explore. Who wouldn't want to live in a world like that? Now, obviously, none of this